In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate OnePay Debit Card. In order to do that, you first need to head over to onepay.com/activate or head over to your application on OnePay on your mobile or iOS. Then from in there, just log into your account and you should be able to have the option to activate your new debit card. Head over and click onto this activate now onto the website, and once you have done that, this will open right here this new window that will actually prompt you to input your details and then first log in into your account. Log in into your account for OnePay, continue, and after you have done that, you should be able to activate your card by adding in there and verifying that it's yours and also doing a one tap activation using this case. Once you have done that, you should be able to use it as usual, withdraw and pay for things using this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.